Hello guys, in Microsoft Outlook 2016, when you minimize the window, it doesn't appear in the taskbar. To show up Outlook in the taskbar when you minimize the windows, you just need to go to System Tray. Here you can see the Outlook shortcut appear here. Just right click on this icon and uncheck this option called hide when minimized. When you uncheck this option, the Outlook app shortcut will appear in the taskbar. You can use it from here. Same, let me try again. I'm going to minimize the Microsoft Outlook again to just verify it's appearing or not. So it's still showing in the taskbar. To do this, you just need to go to System Tray, then right click on the Microsoft Outlook icon and check hide when minimized to disable Outlook icon on the taskbar.